Alright guys, today we're going to start with jump squats. Now these squats are going to be with a pause on the bottom. So you're going to actually pause for 2 seconds on the bottom position and then you're going to explode up and squat and repeat. So as always, make sure those knees are out towards your toes and try and get as low as you can and really put that weight onto the heels, keeping your chest up and your core nice and tight. As you can see from the side here, my back is completely straight, all the way from my head down to my lower back and my butt. So make sure that you don't round your shoulders forward when you do this squat and really push off the heels. It's going to give you the power. All right, we're moving on to front lunges here. So you're going to lunge forward, alternating from each side to side. And you want to make sure here that your front knee stays 90 degrees and your front knee does not go over the toes. And you want to keep that core tight. Again, you see my back is completely straight from the top of my head down to my butt and lower back. So I'm not falling forward. So you can also add an overhead reach here to make it a little bit more challenging and to add a little bit more of shoulder work in there. All right, moving on to plank toe taps here. You want to be in plank position, making sure you've got a nice strong core here, your shoulders in line with your wrist, your back completely straight. You're going to just tap side to side with your toes and go as fast as you can with good form. Moving on to Hollyrock ins and outs here, working the lower abs. So you're going to sit on your butt and lean slightly back, and you're going to extend the legs out just so they're higher than the hips. Make sure those legs are nice and straight, and it helps to point your toes here and then bring them back in and grab them with your hands and repeat. Make sure your chest is up and you don't round the back here, and initiate the movement from your abs, especially the lower abs here. Time for a cool down now. Take nice deep breaths. Bring your arms overhead. Deep breath in, deep breath out. One more time, take a nice deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now you're going to exhale. Come back down all the way and drop all your weight. And now back, inhale up. You're going to stretch to the side. Get a nice deep stretch on the side of the body there, and repeat on the other side of the body. You're going to grab onto your hands from the back, clasp onto your hands and pull the shoulder blades together and open up the chest here to stretch the shoulders. And now you're going to do the same thing in the front by interlocking your fingers and stretching, squeezing the chest muscles together. Shake it out. We're going to stretch the quads now. You're going to grab onto one foot. If you need to find a balance, you can grab onto anything that you can hold on to here for balance, and stretch the quads, keeping the knees together, and repeat on the other side as well.
You did it! 3 rounds. If you want to keep going, do more. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy these, and I'll do more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye!